Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have A Character Art of a Boy in School Uniform by Tabikarasu. Another Character Art of a Girl, Dot Parker-chan by Annin Monica. The official RPG Maker Twitter is holding a mapping challenge. In this event, we have to create a beach map using this tileset and then submit it on Twitter with this hashtag. This event is running from August 6th to August 13th. One winner will get MZ or DLC as prize. A music pack of 5 ambient tracks by Joshua McLean. An MV&MZ plugin by Awaya Matana that spins or shakes a character on spot. An MZ plugin by Cursed Steven that allows skipping encounters with weaker enemies. An MZ plugin by Blue Moon of a custom menu that focuses on one actor. And lastly, a series of simple MZ plugins by Aura Dev. And that is all for today. Go back to map making now.